Welcome to Bitunix Rewards Guide 3. We cover 4 rewards. We start with the VIP Trial Pass, also called the VIP Experience Card, then gift funds, guaranteed SL coupons, and mystery boxes. Open My Rewards and tap VIP Trial Pass. Check the tier, duration, and rules on the reward card. This reward unlocks VIP-level benefits for a limited time at zero cost. Its core value is improved trading efficiency during the active window. Depending on the tier, you may receive fee discounts and other VIP privileges listed on the card. Use it when you expect higher trading volume or faster decision cycles, such as active intraday trading or periods of elevated market volatility. It is also useful when exploring VIP-level features to understand the benefit set before long-term use. Activate it close to your planned trading window so you do not waste active time. For exact benefits and restrictions, follow the reward card rules. Gift funds are promotional funds from Bitunix events. Redeem them to credit your account. They may support spot trading and, in some campaigns, futures trading based on event rules. The advantage is added trading value with less reliance on personal capital. If you redeem and convert them into digital assets, those assets remain in your account. Always redeem before expiry. Guaranteed Stop Loss is a paid risk control feature. It helps close a futures position at your preset stop loss price, even during sharp volatility, reducing slippage risk. A guaranteed SL coupon can offset the activation fee based on coupon rules, so you can apply this protection at a lower cost. It is most relevant during extreme volatility, event-driven moves, or short-term trading where execution precision matters. Mystery boxes are free event rewards. Open one to receive a random reward such as gift funds, futures bonuses, or a VIP trial pass. The benefit is cost efficiency and reward diversity at zero cost. They can expire, so open them before the deadline to avoid losing the reward. Start with the VIP Trial Pass when you want the biggest impact on efficiency. Redeem gift funds early and follow event rules. Use guaranteed SL coupons when slippage risk is higher. Open mystery boxes before expiry to unlock usable rewards. Always follow the reward card rules and the complete guide for full details. That's Rewards Guide 3 on Bitunix. Check the reward card rules before you use any reward.